Send call 20 to dispatch 1050. Texas tag of call 0409. Parking lot of the Cadillac, 4021 North Timothy Trail with a black Navigator. What's that, man?
How you doing, man?
Stop me for the seatbelt. Get your driver's license?
No, I don't have a license. I'm fixing to go to court on it right now, as you can see right here. I'm fixing to go to court on the 24th.
Okay.
Man, please.
Where's the open beer can at? It smells like, what smells like alcohol in here?
Oh, man, my kid probably spit one the other night then.
Why do you have a, what are you going to do with that?
I'm fixing to drink it as soon as I get in my room right here.
Oh, you're sitting
yeah,
here?
I stay right across the street.
Oh,
Sir.
okay.
Yes. I don't have a license. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to get a hardship right now.
So you are driving, even though you literally have court, when?
On the 24th.
Why don't you walk?
I was going to, man, but I work night shift. I ain't gonna lie. I'm really tired. I was like, man, I just walked my dog. My feet
What are you
hurt.
suspended for?
Dude, it's like surcharges. I got a surcharges in the state of Texas. They locked me up for 20 months on like a theft or something like that. I can't remember what the case was.
Okay.
Anyway, they locked me up on this years ago. Well, while we're in Texas, when you don't pay your ticket, they just bills.
Okay.
So they got me up to like $13,000 on surcharges. And there's no possible way I can pay that, bro. And I know this.
Can I get your license, please?
I just have paper ID.
Oh, okay. David Dengen. That's the judge. Okay, your name is John?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Man, if you can
Do you
let me
have
make
it-
it on ticket, dude, I
Bro,
appreciate it. 'Cause I'm really trying to get a
bro.
hardship, dude.
Bro.
Damn, I'm like 2 weeks away from getting it, dude.
Do you have insurance on the truck or no?
No, I just bought the truck like 3 days ago.
Where's the registration belong to, the tag?
I couldn't tell you who the registration is. I can give you the title.
You bought it from a dude from Texas?
Yeah, no, I bought it right here.
But
My son had a Durango, so we took the tags off of it because, like I said, I'm trying to get a hardship, dude. I'm not
So
trying to.
these tags belong on a Durango?
Yes, sir. They belong on a Dodge Durango.
Oh, this is
Lubbock,
bad.
Texas.
This is bad, John. Come on. You know you can't do that.
Yeah, but dude, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm trying to do it
I
right,
know.
man.
I know. All right.
I got.
Dispatch 1, call 1, 1074.
What's up, man?
What do you got?
So this guy came out of a store over here as I passed by, didn't have a seatbelt on, stopped him. Tag doesn't belong on the
Dispatch
vehicle.
1, call 4.
He admitted that. It's unregistered. No
Yeah.
insurance. He has court today for a first-degree misdemeanor of second or more DWLSR.
Oh,
So I got 3 misdemeanors. I'm going to take him for the 3 misdemeanors. And he has no... Yeah. So I'm taking him in, so...
you need
No,
transporter?
I'm good.
All right.
Just wanted to back up, so... His name's John. All right, John. It's 3 misdemeanors, man. I can't not take you in. Okay, so I gotta have you come out.
Can
Okay.
you let me give my wallet and stuff to my kid because he's sleeping in the room?
I can get it to him.
Okay.
I'll get it to him. I'll just have you hop out. Okay.
The wallet?
No, you can leave it there.
Okay.
Thank you. I'll have
So
just
you
pop
take me
out.
to jail?
I got to. Yeah. For 3 misdemeanors, I kind of have to. Yeah.
Okay.
Just
You
have you
get the car, or are you gonna take the car? Or who?
Well, we'll talk about that. Just put the key in it. Come over here. You just face the vehicle. Okay. Hands right behind your back. Yep. Alright, perfect. Thank you, God. Appreciate it. I'm gonna have you come back here, okay? If we can, what room number is your son in?
120. He's right there at the very end, right there in front of that laundry, right there at the end.
So if his son,
That's rent money and everything.
if his son wants to have the key and the wallet,
Where is it at?
The keys in the ignition, the wallet's right there in the middle, sir.
Okay.
all right, I'll have you come right back here, okay? Just gonna search real quick
Yeah,
and
you can.
take you over there, and you're good to go. I really should be taking your truck. I should be.
Huh?
I'm sure you know, but I should be taking your truck.
Yeah, and I thank you for that, man. I mean, that's our only means, bro. And like I said,
I know,
man, I'm
but-
around the person with my hardship, bro. Damn, man.
All you had to do was walk, though. You know that.
Yeah, but I pulled my Achilles like 3 weeks ago.
You got some.
So I'm barely making it to work.
What do you do?
Asphalt.
Okay.
Yes.
Watch your wrists and sit down, okay? I'm just gonna turn the air on for you, okay?
Can you wake him up and let him know, please?
Yeah. No. We'll
Thank you, bro.
Here, watch your knee. Watch your knee. Get this over here. What's that?
Is his son here at the motel?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. He's in there. He's sleeping right now. 120.
120?
120. Yes,
So
sir.
look, I got the key and the wallet.
Okay. Okay.
That's what you want to give to him?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm going to go get that to him right now.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right. You good?
7 balls, 20 dispatch, 1015. Thank you.
Your incident
Yeah.
has been updated.
I can ask him to, yeah. Do you mind grabbing his phone number too? He's asking.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I'll write it down or...
Sure.
Actually, you know what I'll do? I'll text it to you.
Okay, that'd be great. And his son can park this and... Well, you're gonna have bond. The state will be notified that you violated the same offense again, though. I don't know. The jail will be able to confirm that with you.
Your incident has been updated.
I'm gonna keep it in your possession since it's your truck, but I'm gonna allow him to park it.
Your incident has been updated. Your incident has been updated.
I sent you a screen, but you got canceled by fire rescue. But her radio is not right over.
Car is right there. You can car. We're not going to tow it or anything, but
I can park the car right
you can. Yep.
Right.
Yeah, he's just got to get a phone number from you.
Could you just do me a favor and take that plate off like immediately? I'm doing your dad a favor, not towing it.
here? Yes, sir.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
941. 226.
Okay.
3986.
3986. And that's your number?
Yes,
All right. I'm going to send it to this officer so that way he has it to contact you. Okay.
Okay.
He's just going to be down in Sarasota County. He's going to have bond.
He's not bomb.
He'll have bond, yeah.
Alright.
All right. Thank you.
All right.
You want to? Sure, yeah. Your son just wants to say something real quick to you.
Joey, I'll have a bond, so...
You want me to bond you out?
Well, yeah, call the bondsman. That's why I just gave you one. Call the bondsman, and let's see if she can take 10 minutes. Yeah, I just talked to my lawyer, bro. Yeah, it's fixing to happen, man. All right.
Thank you.
Love you, buddy.
Thanks, Abaddon. Thank you. Yep. Set up call 20 to dispatch. $51 SSO jail with 1 male. What's that? I don't know. I know that
Your incident has been updated.
I know that our governor's been really putting his foot down with it, though.
Your incident has been updated.
Thank you so much. Huh? Yeah, it's just the court, it's the charging document. It's just, it looks long, but it's just 3 charges, 3 minutes.